Look what I did, Frugal friends. That's right, I tore out the nasty, horrible carpet in the hallway. Tearing out all the carpet throughout the house, even the downstairs carpet, which is not nasty like the upstairs carpet. Of course, I still need to get the painting done in these other rooms. There's a Lulu. Hi, Lulu. Before tearing out the carpet. So that is what I will be working on this week, is getting the painting done so that I can tear out that carpet. Tearing out the carpet from James's office and bike area is going to be a little trickier because of all that's in there, but we will get to that. I'm not going to worry about painting in there, just about getting the carpet out. That's going to be interesting. And then once we've gotten all that out, then I will either start learning how to put in the flooring myself, or I will go and get a bid for having the flooring installed. We will see what I end up deciding to do. But how awesome that we got this first section torn out. Boy, it feels good. So, what do you think of the new light globes here? I am in love with them. I think they are perfect. And when the attic thingy comes down, it doesn't hit into them, which is awesome. And I like the look of them way better than the ones before. They just feel, I don't know, more modern in a classic kind of way. Yeah, they're very classic. That's what I like about them. All right, so there's that. There's my torn up floor. We're going to work on this, getting this carpet torn up this week, and I thought I'd show you how crazy this is. Look at this, and look at that. That is what the carpet originally looked like. So this room, when we bought the house 10 years ago, this was a bedroom. It was the most bizarre layout for a house, and it's still not ideal, but it's definitely better than it was. So we knocked out a wall right here, and there was a door there. We knocked that out. There was a door here where I'm standing. We took that out and still need to remove the remnants from that door. That's on the list. There was also a closet right here, and I was pregnant with Reagan when I started breaking the closet out. I am notorious for starting things when pregnant. It's a good thing I've had a hysterectomy. Anywho, so there was a closet there, and we've always just kind of covered it for the last, what, 8, 9 years with furniture or rugs. Well, my darling Frugal friends, it is coming out. Oh, I'm so excited. So the plan today is to get the mirror down, to get all of these nails and things down and go ahead and patch all the holes, and then get this wall painted. And when I've done that, I'm going to reward myself by tearing out the carpet from that would have been the closet area before. So that's the plan. We're gonna at least get this wall painted with 2 coats and all the holes patched and whatnot, and get this section of carpet taken out to the garden. I've been using these pieces of carpet that I've been tearing out in the garden. Eventually I'm going to be putting in some really awesome paths that I'm gathering supplies for, but until then, to suppress the rampant weed growth, I've been putting the carpet out there. It works. I'm able to see right here what kind of flooring we're dealing with underneath, and I am still working on figuring out if I'm going to have some guys come and do a quote on how much it will cost to have the new flooring put in, or if I want to try doing it myself. I don't know. We'll see. The other thing, still working on eBay stuff, I also got down the rest of the Halloween and fall decorations and costumes. This is the last of them. I've gone through these last 4 totes and then put up a whole bunch of stuff out in the yard because, well, for Halloween, and because it is just nice to get it out of the way and not have to deal with it right now. So getting it put up outside helped to have less stuff to deal with right now, which is awesome. I will be giving you a tour of the yard when the Halloween decorations are done. I still have a long ways to go, but we're getting there. So I did take out a whole bag of stuff that I decided to get rid of, mostly costumes, but also some of the decorations. And let's see, what other progress have we made? I suppose that's it. And then just trying to stay on top of daily housekeeping and stuff like that. These are the posters. If you watched our dumpster dive along video, these are the posters I'm talking about. So I was so excited about finding that poster frame. Yes, we are keeping this Christopher, wait, is it this one? I don't know. No, it's in here. Christopher Robin one and Incredibles. And so one of those will go in that frame. So, all right, I am going to jump in and get going on this. All right, Frugal friends. So I got this wall patched. Actually, I got a couple of walls patched, all the holes from nails and screws, whatever. And got the first coat of paint on this wall here. Gonna take a nice long break and work on some other stuff. I've got the hint of a cold coming on, so I'm gonna go enjoy some Dayquil and a little bit of rest and some Halloween Wars reruns, and then we'll jump back in and keep going on this living room so that I can get this nasty carpet torn out. All right, we will see you guys tomorrow for the reveal and testing of our dumpster finds from this last weekend's picks. Have a fabulous day. We'll see you all really soon.